2019 Toyota Sequoia. Sequoia is perfect for any adventure, offering spacious comfort and style for up to 8 passengers. With Sequoia, peace of mind comes standard with 8 airbags, including an all-row side curtain airbag. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, Homelink garage door opener, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, security system, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, power moonroof, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, leather seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.